10 Carnival Cruise mistakes that can ruin your senior vacation in 2025. In March 2025, a 72-year-old grandmother stood helplessly at the port of Miami, watching her family's Carnival cruise ship sail away without her. A simple mistake with embarkation timing cost her a $3,000 vacation and precious time with her grandchildren. Her story isn't unique. Thousands of seniors make preventable errors that transform dream cruises into nightmares. Welcome to Cruise Safe, where protecting senior cruisers from costly mistakes becomes the mission. Today's investigation reveals the 10 most devastating Carnival-specific mistakes that ruin vacations, drain bank accounts, and even endanger lives. These aren't generic cruise tips. These are Carnival's hidden policies and recent 2025 changes that catch seniors completely off guard. Mistake 1. Treating the muster drill like optional entertainment. It's easy to dismiss it, but don't. The biggest misconception seniors have? That the mandatory muster drill is just bureaucratic nonsense. Wrong. Dead wrong, and potentially dangerous. In 2025, a power failure incident forced passengers to live on deck due to sewage flooding. Those who paid attention during muster drills found safety zones immediately, while others wandered in dangerous confusion, desperately seeking guidance. Carnival's muster drill teaches critical survival skills, proper life jacket fitting, especially challenging for those with mobility issues. It's a hands-on lesson you can't afford to miss. Exact muster station locations printed on cabin keys, emergency signal meanings and evacuation procedures specific to each ship class. The U.S. Coast Guard and SOLAS regulations make attendance mandatory. Skip it and Carnival can legally deny boarding or remove passengers at the next port. Mistake 2. Believing Medicare covers cruise medical care. July 2025 brought a viral Reddit explosion when a passenger posted their Norwegian cruise medical bill. Over $700 for basic care. Carnival's prices mirror this nightmare. Basic consultation $150 to $200, COVID test $250 to $300, IV treatment $500 to $1,000, medical evacuation $50,000 to $150,000. These costs can quickly spiral out of control. Here's what Carnival won't advertise. Medicare becomes worthless the moment ships leave U.S. waters. Standard health insurance usually excludes cruise ship care. Seniors, who comprise over half of all cruise medical visits, face financial devastation from even minor health issues. Mistake 3. Ignoring Carnival's controversial 2025 rule changes. June 1, 2025, brought sweeping policy changes that blindsided thousands of seniors. The banned items list now includes handheld battery-powered fans, all marijuana products even with medical prescriptions, certain mobility aid batteries, popular over-the-counter medications containing CBD. Be sure to check the updated list before you pack. Mistake 4. Overestimating Carnival's medical capabilities. The July 2025 tsunami warning tragically exposed Carnival's medical limitations when a passenger required an emergency medical evacuation. The ship's medical center unfortunately couldn't handle anything beyond basic first aid and stabilization, relying entirely on Coast Guard helicopters for serious and complex cases. Here's what Carnival's medical centers often actually lack. CT scanners crucial for rapid stroke diagnosis, cardiac catheterization labs for immediate heart attack intervention, surgical capabilities beyond basic stitching, blood banks for transfusions, dialysis machines, and a range of specialized medications. Mistake 5. Choosing party ships for peaceful vacations. Carnival's well-known reputation for fun and lively ships attracts very different crowds depending on the specific itineraries. A 2025 Cruise Hive investigation revealed a concerning trend that 3 to 4 day cruises tend to attract younger, party-focused passengers who effectively transform the ships into floating nightclubs. These Carnival mistakes get even more shocking as we delve deeper. Subscribe to Cruise Safe right now for weekly revelations designed to protect your cruise investments and overall safety. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. Your next vacation could very well depend on staying fully informed about important policy changes and potential pitfalls. Mistake 6. Packing based solely on Caribbean assumptions. A 2025 Carnival Forensic passengers' public confession went viral across social media. They packed only swimsuits and light sundresses for a March cruise to Mexico. They were not realizing that Ensenada temperatures can often drop unexpectedly to the 50s at night. The ship's gift shop then charged a whopping $85 for a very basic sweatshirt. Mistake 7. Procrastinating on pre-cruise bookings. Condé Nast Travelers 2025 investigation revealed that Carnival's best experiences sell out months before sailing. Seniors particularly suffer when accessible excursions disappear, leaving only physically demanding options. Mistake 8. Misunderstanding Carnival's dining chaos. The dining mistake that ruins most senior vacations, assuming the buffet offers easy, quick meals. A 2025 Cruise.blog investigation found Carnival Firenze's buffet wait times exceeded 45 minutes during peak hours. Mistake 9. Underestimating hidden costs. A Carnival Valor Passengers 2025 Reddit post exposed the shocking truth about prepaid cruises. Despite paying gratuities in advance, they faced 18% service charges on every bar purchase, 18% added to spa treatments, 20% on specialty dining, automatic charges for room service. What's the most outrageous hidden charge you've encountered on Carnival? Share your bill shock stories below. Let's expose these tactics together. Mistake 10. Same-day arrival gambling. The Street's 2025 investigation revealed the ultimate vacation-ruining mistake: flying to the port on embarkation day. It's a gamble you simply can't afford to take. One delayed flight, one traffic jam, or even just one long security line, and that ship sails without you. Carnival's policy remains inflexible. Ships don't wait. No exceptions are made. No refunds will be issued. These 10 mistakes share common themes: assuming Carnival operates like land-based businesses, ignoring policy changes that could affect your trip, and underestimating the unique challenges of ship life. Transform this knowledge into protection. Create a Carnival-specific file, set calendar alerts well in advance, join Carnival-specific forums, document everything meticulously, and build contingency funds. Share this video with every senior planning a Carnival cruise. Subscribe to Cruise Safe for weekly updates on policy changes and crucial protection strategies. Next week's investigation: the shore excursion scams targeting seniors, including a look at the ports where crime against elderly cruisers spikes a shocking 400%. Comment below with your worst Carnival mistake. Your shared experience could prevent another senior's vacation disaster and help them avoid similar pitfalls. Remember, Carnival wants your money. You ensure to be safe. Stay informed, stay prepared, and most importantly of all, stay safe. Until next time, this is Cruise Safe, protecting seniors one cruise at a time.